What's up, friends? Right here, and today we're going to be looking at the Droid Escape Pod. Now this one's a little smaller than the ones I usually look at on my channel, but I think this one is just absolutely adorable. I don't know why, but it's got all kinds of stuff on the inside and details. Comes with two Jawas, C-3PO and R2-D2. So anyway, let's rip this puppy open and put it together. Well, friends, we got it all together. We got the two Jawas, R2-D2 and C-3PO. So let's take a look at the capsule first. It's got neat little stickers all over it. Add some cool detail. See the front. Kind of has your standard design. And the back's got all the fancy little thrusters. Pretty true to the movie, I guess. Alright, and then let's see. It opens like so to reveal the window looking out at the Star Destroyer as you fly away, their projectile ballistic approach, whatever that's called, I forget. And then if you pull this out, you can knock it over. It's got the Death Star plans. I think that's what that's supposed to be. It's got a little screen here. So yeah, pretty cute, simple little model, but I like it. Reminds me of the first time I saw Star Wars, way back in the day. Just, I guess, post your questions, comments, complaints, concerns down below. Remember to keep it real. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.